Hello everyone, let's have the revision of unit number 4, Introduction to Control Systems. So first of all, we have open loop control system. The diagram for the open loop control system, input is given directly to a system and we get the output. And here we have the open loop transfer function. So in open loop control system, the open loop transfer function is denoted by G of S, which is nothing but the ratio of Laplace output C of S upon Laplace input R of S. Open loop control systems are easy to design, but they are less accurate. Now let's look at the closed loop control system. So in case of closed loop control system, the input is once again R of S. We are having one block which is nothing but open loop transfer function G of S. But in case of closed loop control system, we are giving one feedback which is nothing but H of S. So H of S is the feedback. It monitors the input and gives us the output. Here is the adder block. So the closed loop control system has the transfer function. Again, output is C of S. The closed loop control system has the transfer function. So CLTF, which is nothing but G of S upon 1 plus G of S into H of S. So this is your closed loop control system transfer function. But if the system is having a unity feedback, that means what? The H of S value is 1. So in that case, your closed loop transfer function simply becomes G of S upon 1 plus G of S. If there is a unity feedback, that means H of S is 1. So closed loop transfer function is G of S upon 1 plus G of S. Now one trick, if open loop transfer function is given, how to determine closed loop transfer function? Let us say open loop transfer function is 5 upon S square plus 6s plus 4. This is open loop control system transfer function. And we are supposed system is having a unity feedback. What is that? System is having unity feedback. Then how to determine closed loop transfer function? Then simply closed loop transfer function will be 5 upon s square plus 6s plus 4 plus 5, that means 9. So what I have done, I have added the numerator in the denominator, so that becomes the closed loop transfer function. So in case of unity feedback, it is very easy to determine closed loop transfer function from an open loop transfer function by simply adding numerator in the denominator. So 5 plus 4, 9. So this is your closed loop transfer function. Now the denominator of this closed loop transfer function, this we call it as the characteristics equation. So s square plus 6s plus 9, if I equate it with a 0, this we call it as the characteristics equation. This is nothing but your characteristics equation. Then again, the roots of characteristics equation, that means the values which satisfies this equation are called as the poles of the characteristics equation.